Adorable Lekker Bekkie Logan Harnick breaks the internet. A young 12-year-old South African girl from the Western Cape, known as the Facebook diva, is taking the internet by storm with her Lekker Bekkie videos. And the good vibes she sends out are now coming right back to her. After reporting on Logan Harnick this morning, Daily Voice said they were inundated with offers to help the Oklahoma Street primary school learner, who wears tackies to school because she doesn't have school shoes. And so a helpline system has been set up at her school in Makassar. In some reports her surname is spelt Harnick. Daily Voice had tracked down Logan after 3 videos of her, filmed by different people in the local community, were going viral on social media. Her stories, like about her mom and a neighbor blaming her for starting a fire at her home, had people in hysterics and everyone wondered where the old soul in a tiny body came from. Logan lives with her mom and grandmother, and spends afternoons with her fruit seller and Tyler dad, according to Daily Voice. He is seen in the video below. Oklahoma's acting principal, Joanna Paulus, told the newspaper that Logan has always told these women's stories since grade 1. Logan is still a child, but she has an old soul. Paulus said the school has received generous offers to pay Logan's school fees, uniform and do her hair. She also stressed how important it is that Logan is protected. "We must not lose sight that Logan is 12 years old. She is a child who also needs to be protected," she said. "We are overwhelmed by the response.